All right, in the middle of repainting my trunk. I already got the first coat in there. So this is just a dark gray coat. So my trunk, well, actually my Camaro is an early 68. So it had the dark gray and the white speckles. So I got the trunk done, and then the paint I used is this guru. Looks pretty good. And then it comes with a speckle paint that you get, which is the white speckle. And before you use it, you got to give it a little bit of test to get how far away you want to be. So if it's like a foot or 2 feet or 3 feet away from the object you're spraying, this material here, the closer you are, the larger the dots, further away the smaller it is. So I'm gonna give my test here on this cardboard here to see how far away I need to be in order to get the right speckle sizes. All right, so that's about right. It's hard to see because the cardboard is exactly absorbing the paint, but I want about BB size speckles on mine. So this area here looks pretty good. I've noticed when you first start spraying, you get these pockets here of solid paint. So you have to spray to the side and then go. So what I'll do is I'll hold a piece of cardboard in my hand as I'm in the trunk. You spray the cardboard first, and then you can start spraying the trunk and do a continuous spray. So if you have to stop, you can stop. If you have to restart on another something else other than the trunk, because otherwise you'll get these darker streaks in it. So this here was about a foot away, so I'll probably end up doing a foot and a half away from it. And then I got about a half a can left over of the gray. So if I mess up, I can just go and respray the gray and then hit that area again. So I'm going to give it a try and then kind of go from there. Okay, and then also before you start, put some cardboard or something to block the back seat area, because that, based on the original photos of my Camaro and others I've seen online, that panel does not get hit with speckles. There was a little overspray on it, but so I just stuck some cardboard on there just real quick to make sure that that back panel doesn't get hit. All right, here we go. So this stuff, it falls kind of like a snow. So if there's areas on top you want to do that first. That way, whatever debris falls down, you can see it. So there's some areas here that's too thick, and I screwed up on, so right there. So I'll repaint that with the gray. A little thick there, but all in all, it's not too bad. And don't forget to use your little piece of cardboard. So you can I just set it down inside. You know, I just set it down in there and then start spraying that first, and then slowly come out. And it's not much, it comes out real fast. So, I mean, this trunk, like an ounce of paint, that can is plenty enough to do the whole trunk. So if you screw up, there's plenty in that can to do. It's not much. Let me do some touch-ups and show you. Okay, so it's in the heavy area, so that area was too heavy, just didn't look good. And then that I redid, painted that area. So I'll let that dry, and then we'll hit that again. All right, there we go. So you can see some pockets here and there, but I guess when the manufacturer did it, it wasn't perfect, but it was more of an artistic thing. So I'm happy with the way it came out. And then I'll move those boards, and that's it, man. So just practice with it. Just practice with the white spackle on a piece of cardboard or something that's dark. I did it on the gray cardboard, and it didn't work out very well. So if you have something dark, you can spray it on. get a good feel of how it sprays, and then you can work away. So just make sure that you have some leftover of your base color. That way if you make a mistake, you can go and spray over on top of it and then re-spackle it. But I think that's it.